From curbside pickup to processing, the Bluewater Recycling Association does it all. This association is owned by the participating municipalities and has won many awards since its inception in 1989. If the Bluewater Recycling Association is new to your community, don't be alarmed to see the driver throw both tagged garbage and recycling products into the same side of the truck. These trucks are called three-stream because they are separated into 3 compartments. The first and closest compartment to the curb is for the garbage. The compartment on the other side is for paper fiber, and between the cab and body is the bucket to lift the metal, plastic, and glass to the top compartment. When one or all compartments are full, the operator then engages the ram to push materials to the back of the truck into its respective compartments. When you look at the rear of the trucks, some have 2 bubbles and others have 1. The single bubble trucks still have 3 compartments. When the route is complete, the garbage compartment is dumped at a landfill. The truck then returns to the Bluewater Recycling Association in Huron Park near Exeter, where it dumps the paper fiber, metal, plastic, and glass. Once the recyclables are dumped, it is then processed and ready to be shipped. Bluewater prefers to sell its commodities in Ontario, but often ship to the United States and especially China, with its growing economy and hunger for these resources. Rest assured that your efforts to separate your recyclables are appreciated. With the provincial government looking at higher recycling rates, it's imperative to get on board now to reduce your waste stream. It's just not for saving landfill space, but to give our next generation a clean environment.